morning, guys. I'm honestly surprised it's still morning, but I'm actually doing really good. It felt so good to wake up this morning on time, like I said I would. Reunited with my cousin. You know how it goes. Well, if you don't know, you'll see. But anyways, I'm about to go to Starbucks, and then we're gonna go to IKEA. IKEA. I don't know.
What's happening? This bumba. We cannot escape. We cannot come out.
We can't get out of IKEA, bro. There's no way out. We're stuck. They want us here forever. They want us here forever. The sun is not in our favor right now. Now we turned around, though. All right. Well, anyways, guys. So I went couch shopping. I did find what I was looking for and what I wanted, but I'm just gonna end up ordering it by myself online because the process at IKEA it was not giving. So, and I'm an in and out type of person. So when people don't move fast enough for me, I kind of just like, I'll do it myself.
Yeah, you really didn't even have to sign up for it at the kiosk. They
Facts.
Really had the option online.
Oh yeah, I could have done that whole thing online. But I will say this: I felt the couch, so I got to feel it and make sure it was soft enough because I don't want no tough couch. Okay, my living room has to turn into my sanctuary. You know what I'm saying? So it has to be comfortable. Anyways, we're about to go back to Jay's apartment, and then I'm gonna go home and get ready for work. Just got home. Sorry, it's kind of loud in my bathroom, but I just got home and I was gonna work out, but I decided against it just because this is my first day back at work in like almost 2 weeks, and I don't want to be late. I don't want to be running late, any of that. So I'm just gonna take care of some stuff on my laptop, take care of some stuff for school and just like work stuff, and then I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna leave for work. I would probably try to get some food or a smoothie or something before I go to work, but we'll see. I need to put some oil on my hair, the curly pieces, so they will stop like getting tangled. We'll take care of that in a second, but yeah. So I was sadly mistaken. I don't work today. I think I got my days mixed up because my schedule is all over the place right now. Like the way we do our schedule at the hospital is like 6 to 8 weeks in advance, but my schedule for like the end of January to like almost the end of February got messed up. I'm probably gonna go get some food, come back, edit, finish doing some stuff around the house, clean, get rid of some stuff that's in the apartment that doesn't need to be here, and then I'm going to call it a day. Guys, I really need to reorganize my closet. It looks so bad in here. Like, it's a mess. It really is awful. And I have all these sweaters and jackets and shoes and stuff that I need to go through. All right, guys, I ate and I chilled for a little bit and took care of some stuff on my laptop. And now I'm about to make a Walmart run because I need some tissue, paper towels, and some other stuff. So yeah, we're about to take care of that. I'm literally about to drop everything. Bruh. I have so much stuff. I gotta get this for my vlog.